Hello guys, I, Miss Neha Yavlekar, along with my teammates Suraksha Popli and Mohini Gilaskar, would like to present an idea for our project, which is ambulance network in the district level. We belong to college named Sri Vilay Barle Kelvani Mandal's Institute of Technology, Dhule. So now coming towards our idea description, we all know that in this pandemic how important emergency service providers are. They provide best services in the short period of time which proves to be best to save the patient's life. Emergency hospitals will be proven at their best if the ambulance reaches at the shortest time when the life of the person can be saved. Today, there are many systems developed for routing of ambulance which helps to reach to the patient in minimum time. This can be implemented using GPS and other real-time technologies. These are the systems that plays an important role in finding the best route which is suitable for the ambulance. Now, we are designing the system which will provide the services which will show which is the best route and the availability of the ambulance in that particular area at the shortest span of time. Now, here proceeding towards our working of the model. Now, we are going to implement this idea by using a web portal. Now, our web portal will have two modules. First module is a ambulance module and another module is a user or patient module. Now, first we will discuss the ambulance module. Firstly, the ambulances belonging to the specific hospitals need to register themselves on the web portal. There, they need to give the information like name, contact number, email ID, address, the state where the ambulance is currently working, city, zip code of the city where it is currently working, then availability where it is available or not, then all the documents related to the ambulances and amenities which are provided by the ambulance. This all information need to be provided by the ambulance's owner in the web portal while registering. Now coming towards our second module, which is user or patient module. So firstly, the user or patient needs to register themselves on the web portal. So while registering, he or she needs to provide the information like name, age, number of family members, and also their contact numbers, address and ID proof. After registering, the user can have the access of the ambulance information like what is the availability of ambulances, then in which area the ambulance is currently, etc. This was all about the working of our model. Now coming towards the challenge which we faced, we have to check the system if the ambulance is available in that area which is nearest, and if it is not available then we have to search for the next hospital which is closest to that area. This was the challenges we faced. Thank you.